Hello, I'm going to manage video log number 49, if you can call it that. It is really going to be the 49th video log of having a total shoulder replacement. And this is a stimless job, and I'm doing really good. So I have like 11 days to go, 10 more days to go, before I have 6 weeks of after recovery. So I'm working on my range of motion right now. I can't get into rehab, but I know what needs to be done, so I'm working on that. I just be real careful that I'm not going to damage the rotator cuff work that the doctor had done, surgeon had done to fix this shoulder to begin with. And I'm really grateful for it, because not having that pain is really a blessing. So today I am just frustrated because I have those extra 2 weeks to go and I can't do a lot with this. I know I got to be careful, but I have so much to do. But I want to get some exercise in, and I have not been up to the top of that hill over there. That one back there, where you see that scar up there? I'll turn around and I'll videotape where we're going to go. Sky is with me today. She's really anxious to get going. If I just start pretending that I've got music on here, we're going to go 128. She just goes bananas, and that's what she loves to do. She likes to just go and go. So that's the beginning of the video for today. I don't know how much more content, what kind of content I'll put in. And whatever happens, happens. I can't do a whole lot. So those are upcoming videos if I decide to keep this thing going, which I probably will. So let's start heading up towards that hill. Our destination is going to be that second level, just before you see the scar on the hill. That road that's going up to the top. We're not going to go up that one today. I need 2 arms for that. We're going to the first plateau, which is that up there. And then I'll turn around and video record this location we're standing here, which is this place. Maybe we'll see this. I'm sure we'll see this. And I don't think we'll see this. And that's what the first part of this video is going to be.
Are you ready to go? Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Are you ready to go? Yeah? Okay.
just not the abundance of water, but the incredible growth on just about everything out here. And I kind of have a feeling that it's due to the high carbon content in the air. These things look like they were grown in a nursery. They're just absolutely amazing. It's a second variety of. And of course, this stuff. You see the leaves of 3? Yes, my dear, please leave it be. In 2 weeks, little video from up there. But for today, this is a one-handed hill. And we started from right over there, behind the banana trees. This is like incredibly green here. I haven't seen this much greenery this early. And it is, don't let that stuff fool you. That's not short stuff. Some of that's 100 feet tall. This really, really tall stuff. The chaparral right there. If I was to stand in the middle of it, I'd disappear. You wouldn't see me. And down there is the pond. And Sky's tongue is hanging out really long. So I'll bet you when we get down there, she's gonna go swimming. Not much farther. More tadpoles. Oh, you guys better start swimming. Get out of here. I'm anticipating frogs everywhere, including in my little home. They get everywhere. Yep, she's a self-washing dog, that's for sure. Totally expected. You gonna go again? I think I'm going to end the video right here today. That's where we were, up there. And we went to the reservoir. Sky swam around. Of course, you saw all that. And that's pretty much it for today. I am going to keep it up. I think this is video log 48 about replacing this shoulder. And it's doing really well. I think I did just a little too much today. We're expecting another storm for tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm going to be able to put in for that. And it's supposed to be really windy, so I need to button this place up again. Right now I've unbuttoned it to clean it out, clean it up a little bit more, and to cook up meatballs. I'm cooking some meatballs that I got from the store in my little oven, and I'm going to put them in a pot with some marinara that I also made, and that's going to be my pasta dinner tonight. I love pasta. And so thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what kind of storm. It's supposed to be in and out by noon, so that'll be a good thing. I also have to go to town tomorrow too. I got a lot of stuff I've ordered and it's coming in. That includes a pond fountain, and that'll be one of the projects I'll be putting in a little later on. So that's enough of this. Thanks for watching.